Welcome to part 1 of documenting a style sheet and a living style guide. In this lesson, we'll be going through the steps of adding documentation in a style sheet. The heart of creating a living style guide is the ability to put your documentation right where it belongs, in the source code. Chances are that you're already documenting your code, which is a great opportunity to take it to the next level by using a style guide generator that can turn those comments into an organized site, letting others, and yourself in the future, know why and what has been done in the code. Here's yourself from the future reading the docs you wrote in the past. Documenting a style sheet follows a similar pattern to documenting a page, but in this case the documentation will go inside of a comment right next to the code, and that's the beauty. To get started, open the style sheet buttons-custom.less. Inside of this file, add the tag @stylesheet followed by 2 strings. Note that in this case the documentation comment needs to start with a /** for the parser, in this case JSDoc, to recognize it. Now let's break this down. @stylesheet. The tag @stylesheet declares the file as a style sheet and tells Document CSS that the information in this file should be displayed as such in the Living Style Guide. This serves to differentiate it from other types of documents like pages, components, and models, among other things. Buttons.less. This is the unique name for the style sheet and is used as a reference to other tags. While you can use any type of name, I recommend using the name of the style sheet file, as this will help finding the file when referencing the documentation. Do keep in mind that this will affect the URL of your document. For example, the URL would be http://localhost:8080/styleguide/buttons.less.html. Buttons. Similar to creating a page, this is the title of the style sheet that will be used for display purposes in the generated site. Here you can use multiple words with spaces or other characters. To view the newly created page, run document.js unless you have it watching for changes, and go to http://localhost:8080/styleguide/buttons.less.html to view the new page. To add this new doc to our navigation, we'll follow the same convention we used when we created the page using the @parent tag. Note that in this case we added .base to specify this page should appear under the group baseline, shown in the sidebar. Yes, you can create groups in your subnav. We'll dig more into that in a bit. Rerunning the docs and refreshing the page should now look like this. Now for the meaty part. With our page in place, we can do a few things. We can add an overall description for the doc. We can add all sorts of content using both Markdown or plain HTML. And best of all, we can add demos for our code. Let's add a quick description for our buttons doc and a demo. Rerun the docs and reload. As you can see, the @iframe tag allows you to add an iframe with a demo of your doc. This demo is really just a simple HTML file with a script tag that imports the CSS of your app at runtime. Let's open the demo buttons-custom.html. And we can see how this looks. The only thing required in this file is the script tag, which should be the same for any demo that you create in this app. The rest of the code is markup with the styles that you want to show in the demo. Additionally, you can use the @demo tag to show the snippet of code used in the demo file like this, which will output like this. This finishes the lesson of adding documentation in a style sheet. In our final lesson for this course series, we'll show you how you can also create style sections as part of documenting style sheets.